Just a quick tip, guys, if you want to charge your Mavic Air or generally sort of your DJI controllers, you got to remove this plug from the cable that goes into your phone. You should have another cable that you can plug in to a like a wall outlet and go straight in here. If you don't have one of these, it's kind of like a proprietary DJI plug, I think. You can use a regular. You can use like a regular USB-C, not USB-C, micro USB cable, and you can just sort of like use that by sort of like plugging in that end, flat end down. And it should just charge it up fine. Thanks, guys. Bye.